Today was the August Food Bank Truck Day, and I thought I would show you what I got this time. I got 6 packs of blackberries, 6 packs of grape tomatoes, a bigger box of cherry tomatoes, 6 yellow bell peppers, a bunch of little bitty weird kinds of carrots, and a bunch of pickling cucumbers that I think I'll just use for a salad. And I got a box of croissants. Also got 2 gallons of milk that are in the refrigerator, and 8 cantaloupes that are still in the car. I haven't had a chance to bring them in yet, but I will before dark. And I also got 20 pounds of potatoes again, and those are in the car too. Well, anyway, that's what I got from the food bank truck today. I'm always grateful for all the food that I'm getting.